The moment I heard the pop, everything on my left side started to go numb.
That man in Oklahoma cracked his neck and it almost killed him. We first told you his story yesterday. He cracked his neck. It caused him to have a stroke that will impact him for the rest of his life.
So we sent NBC2's Joe Petrello to the experts to find out why a common habit for a lot of us has deadly consequences and how you can protect yourself.
We tend to forget just what is inside of our necks, but if you take a look at this skeleton model right here, you can see how complex it is. And what an expert at FGCU tells us with this particular case with the man having a stroke is that he moved his neck in a motion that actually caused one of these arteries to kink, then leading to a rupture, and then ultimately his stroke.
You've probably heard about 28-year-old Josh Hader's stroke that he caused.
The moment I heard the pop, everything on my left side started to go numb.
The Oklahoma man was at home trying to stretch out his neck, something people we spoke to say they do every day.
Center and that way.
Okay, does it feel good?
Yeah, because I can crack it.
Have you ever tried to crack your neck before?
Yeah, it's not as easy as it looks.
But it's more dangerous than you could imagine, says Florida Gulf Coast University's Dr. Rob Salevis.
That could actually ultimately lead to death.
Dr. Salevis used this model of a human spine to break down what Hader did to his neck.
If I bring you in a backward bending, there's going to be strain on that artery. If I'm going to put you in a side bending rotation, there's going to be more strain. And then with that quick head movement, what can happen either here or somewhere in there, you could put a strain on that vessel.
Still confused? Think of it this way.
When you have a garden hose and you turn the water on, and the water comes out of the hose, but if you bend that, that water will stop.
Dr. Salevis says Hader is lucky to be alive, and if you've ever tried to crack your neck, so are you.
So if you're having any kind of pain in any part of your body, doctors recommend that you see them and not try to treat it yourself. I'm reporting in Lee County, Joe Petrello, NBC2.